Alright guys, so I came back to this Coupe deVille. So this is the one I got the trunk switch off of. Guy helped me out to open up the trunk. So I don't know what's going on with these caddies, but they seem to people lock the everything on these cars. So this Rivera over here, it's unlocked the door, but both of these doors, someone jammed up, or the other side. So I came last time, the other side I could open. Now someone got in there. Looks like they locked it. I don't know why. And now this window on the right side is broken out. So obviously people tried to access it there. But I wanted to just give you guys a peek at. So here's a armrest on the driver's side. As you can see, it has the common rip where people lean their arm in the armrest, right? So if you need to pop it off, I know there's some videos on how to replace or redo the armrest, but this thing is literally just stapled on. So if you're good to take off the actual armrest, it looks like there's rivets here. That's probably the biggest pain in the butt. And then you got to disconnect. Obviously, you got to disconnect the window gate, the window connection, the mirror connection. Pain in the butt. But if you do end up getting back here, actual removal of, you can see this is so brittle and old. The removal of the material is just stapled in. So like this one, for instance, the staple is still holding. This one just popped off, is like non-existent. So if you're handy, you could literally just patch up this, make it look really nice and professional, and then staple it back in, reassemble. But that's what it looks like underneath. It's a lot of work, but it's such a common problem on these cars that I thought it would help somebody. And then the connections over there, as you can see, they all come out from that one harness right over there. Plugs in. So that's where, and then if you see the insert there that goes into the actual square here, gotta undo that. Yeah, so that's some little insight on the armrest for the Coupe deVille 77 to 79, and hope that helps somebody out.